All right, it's time to go down memory lane back when I owned that little diner on the road to nowhere, and I was Dave, chef to the stars. One day, Maddie Hasson came in and asked for some chicken salad sandwiches, and I said, okay. So, we have about a pound of chicken in this bowl that I've shredded up. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. As you can see, I squeezed out the juice of about half a lemon. Now I'm going to add 4 sprigs of fresh dill that I chopped up. And then about a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. And then a quarter cup of mayonnaise. As we all know, about 3 tablespoons makes up about a quarter of a cup. Then we want roughly about a teaspoon and a half of Dijon mustard. Again, this is a great recipe for a beginner because it's really, really forgiving. Then a half a teaspoon of celery seeds. And like I said, if I haven't mentioned it, I already did it to the chicken. But then, of course, salt and pepper. And finally, right before we start mixing everything, 1 stalk of celery that we diced up. And just a little bit more salt. And then just mix this up. Mix until everything is mixed together. Taste for final additions of seasoning, mayo, anything like that. Get the consistency and the taste that you like. All right, let's move on to assembly. And as you can see here, I have some English muffins that I've given a nice toast to. Then we're going to add about a spoonful of our chicken salad mix. Okay, now I put some mayo on the top English muffin. Now I'm going to add some white American cheese. You should be able to find this at any Target, Walmart, or a local grocery store. And then just pop the tops on. And those were the chicken salad sandwiches that I made for Maddie Hasson. Why she insisted on eating them while pegging my poor, poor dishwasher boy, I will never know. But that's the Maddie Hasson chicken salad sandwich. Done.